Hello, this is Angela Mitchell from Juice and the Lemon. Most of us have been working from home for over a month now. Oh, even over a year now. And there is one problem that I keep hearing time and time again, and it's a sense of disconnection, which is hardly surprising. Working by ourselves is incredibly isolating, and that feeling of disconnection is leaving many of us feeling flat. It feels like the days are rolling into each other, and it's having an impact on our motivation as well. Now, there is a solution, and that solution is resilience. And the great thing about resilience is it is a skill, and therefore it is learnable. There are 4 key elements to resilience, and when we understand what those 4 traits are, we can identify where our strengths are, but also where the development opportunities are, and we can create a plan to enhance our resilience and hence shore up our mental reserves going forward. So if you and your team would be interested in learning more about resilience, how you can develop it within yourselves, how you can support each other over the coming months, please do give me a shout. I run a 2-hour, highly practical, interactive workshop packed full of tips and tricks about how you can develop resilience not only within yourselves but optimize it in the team so that you are all in the best possible position to manage the coming months and everything that we're going to be facing as we move through 2021. Please drop me a line at angela@juiceandthelemon.com or direct message me here. I look forward to hearing from you.